शेजाऱ्याक दुस्वास जावचो आणि मालकाक अभिमान दिसचो अशे तरेन गोयची उदरगत करात. शेजाराचो महाराष्ट्र धरून सगळ्या राज्यां लागीं सर्त करात. गोंय हे भारतांतले पर्यटनाचे पयल्या नंबराचे राज्य करात. तातूंत येवपी सगळ्या तरांच्यो अडचणी पयस करपा खातीर केंद्र सरकार सदांच तयार आसतले. अशा उतरांनी रेल्वे मंत्री पियुष गोयलान शेनवारा 3 दिसांच्या व्हायब्रंट गोवा ग्लोबल एक्सपोचो समारोप केलो. 3 दीस चलिल्लो आज मेरेनचो गोंयांतल्या वेवसाय धंद्यां खातीर घेतिल्लो सगळ्यांत व्हडलो मेळावो शेनवारा सोंपलो. ह्या वेळार एक पर्यटन थळ म्हणून गोंय कशे तरेन विकसीत करपाक जाता हाच्योय थोड्यो येवजण्यो पियुष गोयलान मुखार दवरल्यो. पळयात तो कितें म्हणटा ते.
Making to try and make Goa an ideal state, a modern state, a state which, if I may borrow from a advertisement for televisions that I used to see for many years, I don't know, some of you may recollect the Onida ad. Neighbors envy, owners pride. I think that is the vision that we have for Goa. Though of course I come from one of the neighboring states of Maharashtra, and in some sense Maharashtra and Goa have a lot to compete with, especially because our Ratnagiri, our Sindhudurg are quite similar in topography and scenic beauty and culture compared to Goa. But I'm happy that all these states, and even my state and your state, should be fighting, should be competing for investment, should be competing for growth, should be competing for tourist footfalls, and that truly will make India an economic superpower and economic powerhouse. I am given to understand nearly 6 million tourists already come to Goa. But to my mind, the beauty that Goa has to offer, and if we can expand some projects by which tourists have a higher activity level, maybe we can engage with Australia and New Zealand to bring some sea sports and more modern sea facilities into the state. Maybe we can look at loosening or improving the possible infrastructure in terms of better connectivity to some more remote areas. Maybe we could even look at some high-end tourists getting a helicopter service which can take them to down south or up north very quickly, so they get out of the plane at the airport and a quick ride in 7, 8, 10 minutes takes them to South Goa or North Goa, right up to their hotel. We have hotels with large land where we can have helipads set up. I don't know what are the possibilities, but I can assure all of you that we will give full support from the central government. We will help to resolve any issues that you may have with the government, so that we can truly create an empowered infrastructure to promote tourism in the state. I would also urge you to look at some special packages for new hotel infrastructure to come in.
गोयचो स्वाभिमानी पूत आणि भारतांतलो नामनेचो शास्त्रज्ञ डॉक्टर रघुनाथ माशेलकार ह्या सुवाळ्याक येवपाचो आसलो, पूण प्रत्यक्षात पावलो ना. देखून ताणें व्हिडिओ संदेश धाडून दिल्लो. तो ह्या समारोप सुवाळ्यात वाजोवन दाखयलो.
India has to become globally competitive, and if you see the news that has come 5 days ago, in terms of 141 countries which have been rated by World Economic Forum, we have risen from 63 to 58, but now this year we have dropped to 68, and that's should be a matter of concern, because collectively every individual state has to contribute to that competitiveness, and Goa has to contribute to. But I wouldn't worry very much about it, because as the World Economic Forum report says, the reason we have actually gone down by 10 ranks is not because we are doing badly, we are doing very well, but the others are doing very well, so they are running faster than us. So I think the issue is that of running faster. Let me illustrate that further. I'm very happy that we have had discussions on partnerships. Goa, with all its strength, everything is going for us, have that possibility of taking that Hanmamudi to the next stage. And idea is not just linear growth, but exponential growth. And I think this vibrant Goa, the way it has been organized, the way it has worked, the energy and enthusiasm and new partnerships and friendship that has created, this will become entirely possible.
मामोळेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार इर्शाद शेख.